Hello, hello everyone. My name is Darent Joramlen. I'm from SK4. Today I want to teach you how to make batik cake. The ingredient is 25 cocoa powder, 200 gram Milo powder, 1 cup condensed milk, 250 gram butter, and 1 pack biscuit Mary, and mold. And the total we need is 5 bowl, 1 spatula, 1 spoon, and 1 pan. That's all.
Hi, my name is Yani, binti Haidar from SKU4. Okay, before I start, I will explain about kitchen safety step. 1. Wash your hand before handling food and after handling meat and poultry. 2. Never cook while wearing an jewelry. 3. Stock knife in a wooden block or in a drawer. 4. Never cook in loose clothes and keep long hair tied back. 5. Get a fire extinguisher for your kitchen. Now, it's time for me to show you how to make batik cake. Low heat. Okay. First, break Mary biscuit into small pieces. Okay. Now, melt butter low heat. Butter 300 gram. Okay. Sorry. Low heat. Okay. Now, add 1 cup milk. Add 25 gram cocoa powder. Now, add 200 gram Milo powder. Okay. Turn off heat. Now, add Mary biscuit and mix until all combine. Scoop into a container. Press firmly with the back of spoon or spatula. Cover and refrigerate to 30 minutes to 1 hour. Okay, I want to plating batik cake. Okay, well done. Done. Enjoy.